difficult to say, but this pride is a disease. So if you never love again, then I'll be happy you're still hitting me up for your lingerie and shoes and heaven knows what else. It's all bad news to me. You've done enough, you've done too much. It's funny, after all you've done it, all you ever had to do was be a better friend than a lover. Run with me and take cover when the fire burns swell, but you're just another cover girl. So paint yourself better. One brush stroke, one feather, I'll pray you well, you pretty little cover girl. It's pouring outside. Been wondering if you're feeling warm. Is this the calm before the storm, or is it going? My little brother says your name. Now and then it's like a joke, and we pretend you moved away or something. Yes, you're hitting me up for your lingerie and clothes, and heaven knows what else. It's all bad news to me. You've done enough, you've done too much. stressed out like you need company. Guess you could ride along, maybe you're stuck with me. I do my best when there's nobody trusting me. Tell me whose side you're on. Is it love? Did I break it? Shit, way too much fun, no, we don't detox here. We spent late days, we slide home and you shake it. But so much can change in a week. I work the night shift, you only feel paid cause of me, yeah. I found out I'm not the man I wish I was, cause I still get so petty when they bring you up. When I'm good and ready, I'ma fill you in. Seem like I do enough thinking for the both of us. I wish your name came up when they call. You keep me grounded when everything around this falls. I keep it lighter for when we talk. I rung up countless hours dancing around this town. I wish your name came up when they call. You keep me grounded when everything around this falls. Keep it lighter for when we talk.
Every time I look back on the memories, I can't help but think about what we could be. It was magic in the moment, so magnetic, and we lost it. Haven't found the same feeling as you and me. And now I'm torn, 1 foot always out the door. I want much more, need a spark just like before. Need a spark just like before. Yeah, now I'm torn. Need a spark just like before. Need a spark like before. Need a spark just like before. You used to come over without even telling me. Would show up at my front door and make a scene. We were crazy for each other. Every day was full of wonder. Haven't found the same feeling since you and me. And now I'm torn, 1 foot always out the door. I want much more, need a spark just like before.
contributing reasons that sort of direct to this conclusion of what we see. But just to give you a little bit more of an idea of what we're talking about here, this is data from the